Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa C7 espresso machine. Now for this machine we're going to do a cappuccino. Where we can test the entire system at once. We're going to be testing the frotter, we're going to be testing the cappuccino spout as well. We do not have the hose in there, so we will not be able to siphon milk, but we can still see the steam coming out of the machine and how easy will siphon the milk in there. For this machine we had to replace the brew unit. As you can see, this one is in really bad shape. Just not looking great, and it was best to replace it. We also replaced the cover that you see right here. This is the newer one, and as you can see, it opens it opens perfectly the way it's supposed to. It stays like that, and it closes fine. You can see the flow coming out of the spout of the cappuccino, and it's looking great as well, working the way it's supposed to. Having nice crema at the bottom layer as well, working great. Now we're gonna be doing an espresso shot, and then we're gonna be using some water. Perfect. Pre-infusion. Now distraction, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color for being added in the cup. Great cream as well, working excellent. Oh, that is a special one, but it's the hot water. There's the different Impressa Jura lines have different settings for this one. Sometimes they have the water in here, sometimes they have it in a different place. I'm gonna cancel that as soon as it pulls out a little bit more of coffee from the spout. There you go. Then we can test the hot water. There you go. That is for the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working the way it's supposed to, and excellent temperature as well. So there you have it, Jura Impressa C7 working once again with a brand new brew unit inside, descale, clean up, and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.